If you have watches that you want to sell online, eBay is one of the best platforms to reach buyers from around the world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sell watches on eBay, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a listing, price your watch correctly, and attract buyers and effectively. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete your basic profile. Once you're logged in, click on the Sell button to start creating your listing. Next, enter the title of your watch listing. Be clear and detailed by including the brand name, model, condition, and key features. For example, mention whether it's automatic or quartz, new or used, and any special details like original packaging or warranty. A good title helps your listing appear in search results. Now it's time to add photos. Upload clear, high-quality images of the watch from different angles, including the front, back, strap, and any close-up details. Good photos increase trust and make your listing more attractive to buyers. After that, write a detailed description. Include information about the condition, features, size, brand, and any defects if present. Be honest and accurate, as this helps avoid returns and builds credibility with buyers. Next, set your price. You can either choose a fixed price or an auction format. To decide the right price, check similar watch listings on eBay and see how much they are selling for. Pricing your watch competitively increases your chances of making a sale. You'll also need to set shipping details. Choose your shipping method, cost, and delivery time. Make sure to package the watch securely to avoid damage during transit. You can also decide whether you want to offer returns, which can make buyers more confident. Once everything is filled in, review your listing carefully and click the List Item button to publish it. Your watch will now be visible to potential buyers. When someone buys your watch, you'll receive a notification. Ship the item promptly and provide tracking details to the buyer. Good communication and fast shipping can help you get positive reviews and build your reputation as a seller. In this tutorial, we learned how to sell watches on eBay by creating a detailed listing, adding quality photos, setting the right price, and managing shipping. These steps help you attract buyers and successfully sell your watches online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.